please start making your own blondes, because it's very high demand course right now. You can start making your own blondes right away as soon as you finish your course, and you'll be loaded with orders and more work at your hair salon or maybe hair shop. Well, thank you. So if you would like to start making your own blondes, it's the best course at this moment. We have been working, we have been spending lots of hours and hours of countless time on this course. We invested much of our time in order to get this course into great job. We've been making our blondes for a few years now. We have already bleached tons of hairs, so you can be sure you will be achieving great blondes. When you coloring, when you're bleaching, when you're lifting the natural color hair up to lighter colors, you will be usually getting all kinds of shades from light browns up to light blondes, and sometimes you might also be getting platinum blondes as well. So for more information, please see our videos, our small mini videos. Maybe you'll find the hairs that you'd like to achieve. You'd find hair colors that you'd like to achieve, and then please ask us. Most times natural colors, let's say you have natural black hair, can be made easily into light blonde. Let's say you have gray hair, gray white hair or gray silver hair, it can be easily achieved up to platinum color. So please let us know if you're interested in our bleaching course, and thank you so much.